Who is laughing? Who is laughing? Why you? Why you? Why us? Why us? Who is it? Who is it? Why to go? Why to go? Who are you? Who are you? When will you go? When will you go? Who am I? Who am I? When will you come? When will you come? Where to study? Where to study? When to speak? When to speak? Where to sleep? Where to sleep? When to sleep? When to sleep? Where to play? Where to play? When to laugh? When to laugh? Where will I stay? Where will I stay? When to go? When to go? Where to go? Where to go? When to eat? When to eat? Where do you have pain? Where do you have pain? What's up? What's up? Where do you live? Where do you live? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Where are you from? Where are you from? What's up these days? What's up these days? What's that? What's that? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Why them? Why them? Whose is this? Whose is this? Why so? Why so? Whom to send? Whom to send? Why now? Why now? Whom to meet? Whom to meet? Why not? Why not? Who now? Who now? Why me? Why me? Who next? Who next? Why him? Why him? Who is there? Who is there? Why don't you listen? Why don't you listen? Who is that fellow? Who is that fellow? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Who are they? Who are they? What is the problem? What is the problem? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? What is the matter? What is the matter? What to study? What to study? What is it all about? What is it all about? What to see? What to see? What else? What else? What to cook? What to cook? What do you want? What do you want? What should we do now? What should we do now? What do you want to know? What do you want to know? What do you like? What do you like? What now? What now? What do you do? What do you do? What is your next plan? What is your next plan? What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? What is your name? What is your name? What can we say? What can we say? What is your intention? What is your intention? What brings you here? What brings you here? How much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? What about? What about? How long it will take you to come? How long it will take you to come? What about him? What about him? How is your health? How is your health? Then when? Then when? How is your family? How is your family? Then what? Then what? How far is your home? How far is your home? So what? So what? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? How about your work? How about your work? How was your day? How was your day? How about you? How about you? How to start? How to start? How are you? How are you? How to go? How to go? From when? From when? How to dance? How to dance? For what? For what? Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? Do you feel tired? Do you feel tired? Do you want money? Do you want money? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Did you watch the game? Did you watch the game? Do you like black cats? Do you like black cats? Did you receive my email? Did you receive my email? Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive? Did you invite him? Did you invite him? Do you know her? Do you know her? Did you finish the job? Did you finish the job? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Are you upset? Are you upset? Do you have any brothers? Do you have any brothers? Are you married? Are you married? Anything else? Anything else? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.